Hi, my name's Joe and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Fix It with Joe, and this is the first of a series of videos. So the problem I'm having today is my phone case has a tear in it. So you can see that's torn right there. And I could just go buy a new one, but I really don't want to because these are about 30 bucks and it's money I don't want to spend if I don't have to. So I'm going to try, there's a couple options. One is epoxy. It's inexpensive epoxy, 2 parts and you mix it up. But I'm just going to try basic crazy glue and we'll see how that works. So first thing I'm going to do is take the phone out of the case and set it aside. And then we'll open one of these tubes of super glue. And with these you have to be very careful not to make a mess, but you remove the cap and poke a hole, and that lets the glue start to flow down through this little nozzle, and then you can place it where you want it. So we'll start over here. And get this section over here. Get a little bit right in there. And then let that harden. You do have to be careful. The fumes sometimes irritate your eyes. So it's best not to have your eyes right over top of it. Okay. Now we'll let that dry. A little section right there could use another dab. There we go. Okay. Alright, cap back on, save this for future use, remove any excess, and there it is. Now there's some on the inside, you're going to want to dab that out, otherwise it'll stick to your phone. Okay. And then we'll let that dry and harden for a few minutes, and then we'll install the phone. So I let the glue dry and it hardened, and then I reinstalled the phone, and you can see it's not torn anymore, and it shows a little bit of stretch and a little bit of shiny where the glue has dried, but otherwise it's like a new one. So just saved myself $30, and you can do it too. If your phone case tears, you can fix it with super glue. That's my first video. Thanks for watching.